You're messy.
What you eating? Some broccoli?
Yummy.
That's
Yay,
enough.
broccoli.
That's enough. Don't stuff your face.
Eat it again. Chew it up good.
Madeline.
Hey.
Madeline.
Hey. No,
No.
more. No more. No more.
Don't laugh at her
Stop
cue.
laughing. No more. Madeline. Madeline. No more. Cue, go upstairs. I get with it. I gotta discipline both of them. Let her chew that up, man.
Madeline. Madeline. Chew that broccoli.
More?
You want more?
Yeah.
What do you say?
This.